1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL, unique, especially in classics. This particular vehicle, just a little over 35,000 miles on it is all. Clean Carfax, convertible top, and the hard top. Convertible top has been replaced on this one since new. Of course, the 5.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's take a look at this front bumper, grille, headlights, surrounds. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this vehicle, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Also want you to know it's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, that phone number is 507-386-1726. As you can see, the white paint on this one shows well. Silver or gray leather interior. Chrome wheels. Let's take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's really free of much of any nicks, dings, scratches. Now granted, you gotta remember it's an 88. It's been driven a few miles. There might be an imperfection here or there, but overall, so it really shows well. You can tell it's had a well taken care of history. There's a lot of paperwork that's going to go with this, from owner's manual to window sticker to, I guess for a lack of better words, protecto plate. This would be the warranty information when the car was new. Folder of miscellaneous receipts. That will all be included with the purchase and be shipped with the car. At the end of the video here, we're going to put the top up. We'll put that hard top on. You can check both of those out. You can also see it in the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. As we look at the driver's side, go from the rear to the front again. You can see really free of much of any nicks, dings, or scratches. You can tell this car was stored indoors. Window sticker, 1988, brand new. I believe it was $64,000. Wow, in 1988. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Of course, the first aid kit. Carpeting all looks good, as well as the leather door panels. It really reflects that this is a low-mile car, no doubt about that. Seating area, there's a little bit of wear in the bolster here. Passenger side, all looks good. Even check out the original floor mats. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. There's your exact miles, 35,181. Again, clean Carfax. All right, so no warning indicators, anything like that. Here's the gauges are all working. Top of the dash. Of course, the center console with shifter, the original Mercedes cassettes. Interior also in nice shape, as you can see. Slip around to the back. What you'd expect as far as sound-wise. Remember, 5.6 liter V8. That should have been their big dog back in '88. And let me slip up to the front here. I'm going to pop the hood. We'll check out that engine bay, and then we'll take a look at both the tops. All right, here's the underside of the hood. Doesn't appear that this has been driven in inclement weather. There's that V8. And of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. I've not had the compressor kick on and off. I see it's been converted though. By that fitting, you can tell it's not R12 anymore. So we're at 134A. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles on it. You can still see stickers that are on it from original. And you can see all this in the still pictures also. Of course, like a data tag or build tag up here. That'll be in the still pictures. And now to put the tops. Put the one top up and we'll put the other top on. Check those out.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And last but not least, the hardtop on. Nice finish on this also. There's a couple little small spots. I know it's been touched up on the other side. I'll point out when we get around there. Chrome, bright work, I guess I should say. Looks good on this. Nice finish to it. Rear glass, great shape. Okay, little tiny spot here, if you can see that. And one little one, kind of tough to even get them to show up right there. Didn't notice on that top, but again, you can see how nice and polished the bright work is. Looks good. Nice fit above the windshield. Everything's secured down as it should. So there you have it. Both tops also. 1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 XL. Just a little over 35,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax. And remember, original window sticker, owner's manual, miscellaneous receipts. Things that will go with this. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember the 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. And here's the soft top. Very nice condition. Like I said, has been replaced. There was a receipt for when that was done, and with the miscellaneous receipts. And it's like new. Definitely don't always see the tops on these cars in this kind of condition. Great fit, nice and tight, clear rear windows. I don't see any holes, rips, tears, really much wear at all. I'm assuming probably hasn't been up a whole lot. If you're gonna have this car, you'll be driving it with the top down the majority of the time, but if you need it to keep you out of the bright sun or maybe a little garden variety rain shower, it's going to keep you dry. All right, so that is in good shape. And again, you can take your time looking through the still pictures too with it up. And we'll get that hard top on, check that out, wrap this video up.
Today we have a 1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL. White on the outside and gray on the inside. It says 35,178 miles on the odometer. Our temperature gauge is reading a little over 80, and that would be Celsius. Fuel gauge is a little under half. And the oil pressure is up at the top of the gauge. Tachometer works well. Radio works good. This car handles well. Steering is very tight. Reactive. In a good way. Not getting any shakes or shimmies from any tires or suspension. And if I let go of the steering wheel, it stays nice and straight in the lane. This is an automatic on the center console, so it's very easy to drive. Brakes work very well. Let's go around this roundabout. Give a little acceleration here. Good power, as you'd expect from the engine. Check out this 1988 Mercedes at uniqueclassiccars.com.